Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing really well. 2020 चला गया एंड नाउ 2021 का ये मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो है और होप करती हूँ कि 2021 आप सबके लिए, हम सबके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा गुड लक, प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड लव लाए. सो द फर्स्ट गुड न्यूज़ इज़ कि मुझे 2020 की 31 दिसंबर को मुझे एक आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई ग्रेजुएशन एक जॉब ऑफर हुआ है. सो आई नो जॉब इज़ रियली गुड. इट्स ऑन एन एजुकेशन सेक्टर जो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है और आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू डू द जॉब. और ऐसा हो सकता है कि 2021 हम सबके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा आ जाए. और yes, we have learned a lot of things in 2020 that we have spent a lot of time with our family members. एंड बहुत लोगों को जाते हुए भी देखा है जो बहुत ही लाइक माई आंटी, माई अंकल, मतलब मेरे चाचा और मेरे छोटे मामा, मेरी बड़ी मामी, दे हैव एक्सपायर्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक आई couldn't believe many things, but that's a reality. I know I have heard a lot of people have suffered a great loss. These kinds of losses cannot be repaid. Like I can't repay anyone or you can't repay lives. But hope this year will be the best of the year. और शुरू में ही और एक बात है कि if you like this one, this is gifted by my mom. She bought it for me when she was traveling and I went with her to my uncle's place. So she bought this one for me, and most of the dresses that I wear are bought by my mom. Like, she selects my dresses and still they like I love them on myself. So this also goes, the credit goes to my mom. Now if you're wondering which lip shade I'm wearing, it's from My Glam Lit liquid matte lipstick, and the MRP is rupees 395. So I'll just try the first one. And yeah, the color, and it's quite matte, still it's looking so pretty, and it's perfectly going with the makeup I'm wearing today. I'm suffering from cold and cough, and I think now I'm getting recovered. That's why I'm sweating a lot, which is, I am loving that I'm sweating, because the coughing, like, and it was very bad. I was feeling very bad for last 2-3 days. I was feeling very weak from inside, and it's because रात को मैंने अपने सर के बिहाइंड में, मेरा स्लीप बिहाइंड में जो विंडो है, इस साइड में सोते हैं हम, तो उसके बिहाइंड में जो विंडो है वो खुला रख दिया था और मुझे पता भी नहीं था. कर्टेंस थे ना, तो मुझे उतना पता नहीं था, मुझे ठंड लग रही थी एंड रात को मैं बहुत खांस रही थी. देन माई हस्बैंड वोक अप एंड ही क्लोज द विंडोज़, and the next morning he was telling me that the windows were open. So I don't know how, or and that's how I got cold and cough. So and on the looking at take a very pretty shade. You can also see how it will look on the lips, and it's very very pretty, right? See, now let's see how much. Okay, I have spread it with my fingers, and now let's see how much time does it takes, like ये कितना देर तक अच्छे रहते हैं. एंड या इट्स, मैंने लिप्स में भी लगाया है, ट्रांसफर प्रूफ है कि नहीं, लेट्स सी, बाद में देखेंगे. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. ऑब्वियसली प्रोडक्ट्स ही शेयर करने होती हूँ. सो फर्स्ट मेरे पास एक छोटू सा बॉक्स है, अगेन फ्रॉम श्मितन. मेरे पास इतना पियर प्रोडक्ट्स है ना, मैं क्या बोलूँ. मैं श्मितन का एक बात मैं आप लोगों को बोल देती हूँ. मैं अभी इसको कट कर रही हूँ. ओके, कैन सी जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. एक्चुअली आप बहुत सारे सैम्पल प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो आप एक्चुअली टेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि वेदर दे आर सूटिंग यू और नॉट, एंड देन यू कैन बाई द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट, विच इज़ अ मार्वलस थिंग. ओके, लाइक हम ऐसा होते हैं कभी कभी, लाइक मैं एक चीज़ बोलती हूँ, मामा अर्थ का जो उपटन फेस पैक है वो मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया था. यू कैन सी आई डोंट हैव एनी मामा अर्थ प्रोडक्ट्स राइट नाउ इन माई वैनिटी. सो मैंने मामा अर्थ का जो उपटन मास्क है वो यूज़ किया था, फेस वॉश भी यूज़ किया था. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. एक मॉइस्चराइजर भी पियर प्रोडक्ट में मिला था फ्रॉम मामा अर्थ, एंड दैट वाज मे बी एप्पल और समथिंग, एप्पल साइडर विनेगर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो मुझे तीनों चीज़ें इतनी अच्छी लगी. ओके, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज़ दैट आई दिस टाइम आई ऑर्डर्ड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. ओके, एंड मैंने खुद बड़ा साइजेस जो है वो ऑर्डर किए हैं. So you can actually check whether the products are really working on your skin or not, rather than investing a lot of money, because some products are 300, 400. Now, if they're not working, the whole product will go in vain. So before buying it, you can always try some sample products, which I really love. So this time I have taken the Neha Kakkar collection, like from I think the इट्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ऑर्गेनिक. ओके, एंड ये वही है ना, हाँ ये वही है. ओके, सो ये द फर्स्ट थिंग I got on the box was on the pack was Raw Nature's Moisturizing Caramel and Cedarwood Natural Vegan. So this is a moisturizer. I have used it earlier also, and yeah, this one was good. And so this is our first product. और इसका MRP नहीं लिखा है. ओके लिखा है, इट्स 199. तो मैं ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ इतना सा प्रोडक्ट का दाम प्राइस अगर 199 है, तो अगर आपको बड़ा वाला प्रोडक्ट बाय करने चाहेंगे तो इट विल बी अ लॉट मोर कॉस्टलियर, राइट. आई एम जस्ट वंडरिंग. हाँ, ये 30 ग्राम्स का है. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बाय अ बिगर वर्जन, इट विल कॉस्ट अ लॉट. सो बिफोर बाइंग अ बिगर वर्जन, जस्ट ट्राई इट. और ऐसा भी होता है, सैम्पल साइज प्रोडक्ट्स में मज़ा भी आता है. बहुत स्टूपिड. एंड द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज फ्रॉम क्रिस्टोफर कोकोआ ड्रिंकिंग कोकोआ मिल्क delicious milkshake and chocolate and hot chocolate. Okay, so this is the product and it says vegan, keto and no sugar. So maybe I can try this one as it is saying that it doesn't have sugar, but if it is sweet I will not try this. Now the next one is a citrus body butter from Wow. So this is Wow Skin Science body butter. It's no paraben and no sulfate and no silicones, mineral oil or color. The net volume is 25 ml. And the price is not written as it is said that not for sale. Now talking about the consistency of this product, you can really open this one. Oh my god, it's so lemonish. Okay, let me apply it right here. इसका जो कंसिस्टेंसी है ना, ये बहुत ही लाइट वेटेड है. और इसका जो फ्रेगनेंस है ना, ये मुझे लाइक हम लोग जब मूवीज देखने जाते हैं, मेनली ऑन दिस आइनॉक्स मॉल्स, दे हैव दिस काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेगनेंस ऑल अराउंड एंड इट्स द सेम फ्रेगनेंस. यस, yeah, I'm loving it right now. But room freshener ka smell from your body, I don't get it. Maybe, but too much of it will not be suitable for me, so I won't go for this fragrance next time. But the consistency is really good. Now coming on to the Mamaearth oil-free face moisturizer. So this is the box, or this is the pack, and MRP is ₹99. I don't know on the product sites this kinds of products are available or not. This is oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. I had used this one before also, and for acne prone skin this is really amazing. So I used to have so many acne, and right now they all are like getting away. Just some of the routines I will show you, some of the products that you can go for. So talking about this product, it's good, really good. and ये फेस मॉइस्चराइजर है, स्टिल आपके फेस को बहुत ही ग्रीसी वाला टेक्सचर नहीं देगा. Coming on to the next product we are having. So guys, the next product is from Sage Apothecary Strawberry Lip Balm. This is a lip balm which we all need on this winter days, and looking at the texture, I really don't want to. Oh my god, if you rub this one, it will melt. Okay, you rub your fingers, it will melt, and see. Oh my god, I want this. Like, इसका स्मेल ना पूरा वो बबल गम होता था ना, सम स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर. देखिए इसका बहुत ही, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर राइट नाउ, बूमर वगैरह नहीं, बबल गम, वो जो बबल गम होता था ना ब्लू एंड पिंक का, उसमें ही उसका सेम टू सेम फ्रेगनेंस है. आई एम लविंग दिस वन एंड आई विल बी गोइंग फॉर द सेकेंड बाय ऑल्सो when it will end up. Now talking about the moisturizing, it's quite moisturizing, and for further reviews, maybe if you want to know, write your question on the comment box. We'll surely share you your answers that whether it is moisturizing or not after using it. Now I don't want to ruin my lipstick. It's looking so pretty, like I'm loving it. So okay, I'm having this drinking chocolate one more. Okay, and I think that's the end. And this is, we hope your dreams come true this Christmas. As you made our dreams come true by shopping from us, have a very Merry Christmas, a little more sparkle, a little less stress for 2021. We wish you a very best, Tim Smitten. So yeah, this is the note. Come, it's so pretty. And so this is our first box. And yeah, most of the products are really good. And now coming on to the second box. On most of the videos I don't put marks or like that. Okay, now I'm having Neha Kakkar's faves. I think that were some other products that came. I'm really now इतना सारा गिफ्ट्स भेज दिया मुझे. Okay, and this is the thing. Hey dear, welcome to the organic lifestyle. Discover my favorite packs from Organic Harvest on Schmitten. I hope you love them as much as I do. Smiley, that is Neha Kakkar. This is so pretty. And so this is a note that came in this box. And so the products are this kinds of, now this kinds of products I'm in love with this because ये small size का products रहता है और जब भी मैं 2-3 दिन के लिए टूर में जाती हूँ ना, इस टाइप्स के products कैरी करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुझे according to my skin concerns. So this is a face wash, 3-in-1 cleansing, scrubbing and whitening, and this is a cucumber toner, my god, and this is a daily day cream. That's so cute. So this 3 are the first products you're getting on your box. Now coming on to the next is this Shine and Glow Certified Organic Serum Mask, Fix and Gold Dust. Wow, if I love this one, I will be going to buy more of this. Let's see how the product turns to be. And yeah, this is the product. And the last product in this whole box that's Neha Kakkar favorites is this. Schmitten bags are wow. I've given 2 to my mom and I'm having right now 2-3 more. Like wow. And I got this one in green color because ज़्यादातर black and brown में होता था. Now I think the color options are also really affecting me. Like I'm loving this color. So and इसका जो texture है ना बहुत अच्छा है. पूरा leather वाला finish देता है. I don't think it's the pure leather. It's maybe PU leather, not pure leather. I guess. Not sure about it. But still, the quality is really good and it gives you a classy look. If you put some money or your phone or like your chargers or makeups inside it, it's a good makeup pouch also. So yeah, that's all in this 2 boxes for right now. Now guys, currently the next box I'm having with me is from the Mom's Co. It's the Mom's Co brand, but I got it from Schmitten as well. But I can see most of the things that the whole pack that I have bought, you can see the Mom's Co brand is written very nicely and clearly. Now इस पे नहीं जाते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्या detailings है, and let's go to the actual product and open it like a mystery box. क्योंकि अभी सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स तो आई डोंट नो, एंड कभी कभी हो जाता था कि सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मुझे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते थे जो मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न आई डोंट, एंड इतना सा PR प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं ना, ये ख़त्म नहीं होते. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ द मम्स एंड को का एक छोटा सा बैग और पोटली जिसके अंदर यू विल हैव 2 हाइड्रेशन बंडल्स. ओके, एंड द MRP इज $249 फॉर दिस 2 बंडल्स. ये पूरा एकदम जूट का बैग है. एंड द फर्स्ट इज अ नेचुरल वाइटर रिच फेस क्रीम एंड द सेकेंड वन इज अ natural body butter. This much of it will only hydrate my hands or maybe feet. So this must be some sample products. I again told you, if you want to try some products, always go for sample products because then आपका पैसा waste नहीं होगा. So these 2 are the products in this sack came along. Now coming on to the whole box, let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so many products. So these 2 are okay. This is a card. Welcome to Mom Co family and greetings, Merry Christmas greeting cards, which I think is good. It's pretty how you take care of your customers. It's a good way of branding. So the first is let me first start with the face wash. Okay, so it's a natural vitamin rich face wash with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid. It gently cleanses and hydrates your skin. So this is the face wash you will be getting, and I think this will be good, but I don't know. Let me use it first. Then now guys, if you want an honest review on this kinds of products, just write on the comment box that how whether it has worked for me or not. Then I can give you the review. Right now I've just unboxed the packages, and maybe on my later videos, whichever products really suits my skin, I will share them to you. Now it happens that sometimes some product suits me but won't suits you, or like some product suits my skin but doesn't suit my mom's skin or my sister's skin. So everyone's skin is different. So before buying a full size product, I will always ask you to buy some sample size products that may be available, that wasn't available earlier but now available on Schmitten. So you can try hundreds of products and hundreds of brands from there, understand your skin type, buy the products and apply it generously. So understand your skin type, your concerns, then use your products. Okay, to make a, now the main issue you will feel is that some people wants the very fairer skin tone. Okay, ऐसा होता तो fairer is not a solution. Being fair is not a solution. Healthy skin is what you should ask from yourself. Healthy skin will look awesome and will be ready to shine anywhere you go. But if you don't want that healthy skin, you want only fair, that time you can use makeups and 2 to 3 shades like lighter makeups and make yourself whiter. But in reality, you can't change your skin tone, like the skin you was born in. Now coming on to the second product, the Moms Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. So with coffee oil and vitamin E and vitamin D3. Can you see any dark circles right here? Okay. No, this is because I'm sweating. I told you na. On this winter day, so I'm sweating. So after I complete this video, I will open this pullover. So can you see any dark circles? I haven't applied any concealer or like this thing. See, I'm rubbing. No, I don't have. So this is not for me, I guess, because I am such a person who gives a lot of time on my beauty sleep. It's really necessary. But maybe someone who needs it, I will gift her or him that one. Maybe my husband needs it. उनका बहुत ज़्यादा dark circles हैं. He works so much and that's why he travels a lot. And ऐसा नहीं है, he doesn't sleep, but उतना cover up नहीं हो सकता शायद the work he does. और मैं तो so I will give that to him. So it reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. And the price is rupees 474. And let me show you the product. हाँ बक कर रही थी, इसको दूँगी उसको दूँगी. Just showing you the product also. So this is the actual product, and if I want to open it, yeah, I can show you how the product is. It's like wait. Now guys, let me show you the product. You need to just, oh my god. Now I'm just having a second thought whether should I give it to someone or not. So it's so relaxing. I know I don't have such fine lines or like that, but it's so relaxing. और ये मैंने अभी खोला है, मैंने फ्रिज में भी नहीं रखा है. How cold it is. I really don't know how. Oh my god. Wow. Just wow. It's just gliding like anything. And wow. Wow, wow. I don't want to give it to anyone right now. मेरे husband के पास रहेगा तो मैं भी यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. So maybe I will give it to him. Because उनको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. And मुझे जब चाहिए होगा मैं यूज़ कर लूँगी. So this is a product. Guys, I'm really right now thinking how pretty it was on my eyes. It was giving me such cooling effect. I want this one. Like I'm in love with this one right now. So this is the product. And yes, I was thinking that मुझे नहीं है यूज़ नहीं करना है, पर अभी मुझे ये चाहिए. And really weird. मुझे नहीं है फिर भी मुझे ये यूज़ करना है. Maybe some fine lines. Now अभी मुझे बहुत कुछ दिखेगा. Anyways, so now coming on to the next one. This is Natural Vita Rich Face Serum from Mom Co. It repair and replenish your skin. मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है, इसका और एक वर्जन, इसका छोटा वाला वर्जन I guess. Yes, and this is the bigger version of it. Wait, let me show you the छोटू वाला version. So guys, ये छोटू वाला वर्जन है, ये बड़ा वाला वर्जन है. छोटू वाला वर्जन में दिखाती हूँ. ये छोटू वाला वर्जन है, ये बड़ू वाला वर्जन है. So you can see how much difference it is. मैं इसको तो सोने की तरह लगाती थी. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. एंड इसको मैं ऐसे छोटू छोटू करके लेके लगाती थी. और इसका प्राइस बहुत ही कम था. इट वॉज 249, बट बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में था. इट वॉज ओनली 8 ml. Whereas this is 699 and this is for 30 ml. Now I can use it naturally and normally like normal human beings. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. Until next time, love you. Bye bye.